In this video, we are going to discuss Unit 4, Our Environment. It is a continuation of the Part 2 video. If you have not checked the Part 2 video, I will leave the link in the description box so that you can check it. Pollution. Pollution occurs when the environment gets contaminated by waste, chemicals, and harmful substances. Pollution is the damage caused to the environment mainly because of human activities. Pollution is an unwanted change in the physical, chemical, and biological characteristics of our land, air, and water. Pollutant. Any substance that causes pollution is known as a pollutant. Types of pollution. There are four major kinds of pollution. They are air pollution, water pollution, land pollution, which is also known as a soil pollution, and noise pollution. Air pollution. Most air pollution is caused by burning of fossil fuels. Example, oil, petrol, coal, and natural gas. These fossil fuels are used in factories, power plants, and motor vehicles. Burning these fossil fuels release toxic gases and fine particles such as ash and soot into the air, causing air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution is also caused by burning solid waste, especially some plastics. Gases or chemical released from factories and fumes from aerosols like deodorant spray cans or paints. How can we reduce air pollution? Cycle or walk short distances instead of using a motor vehicle. Travel by public transport, that is bus or train. Do not burn solid waste. Avoid fireworks. Water pollution. Water pollution occurs when waste from factories, houses, and farms mixes with the water in rivers, lakes, ponds, ocean, or even groundwater. Contaminated or polluted water can spread diseases and chemicals which are not good for our health. Most significant sources of water pollutants: sewage, water we can use at home for bathing, cleaning, and cooking. Industrial effluents, liquid waste from factories. Agricultural pollutants, chemical pesticides and fertilizers that get washed from farms. Solid waste, when waste gets dumped into water bodies. How can we reduce water pollution? Do not pour leftover oil, old medicines, or waste down drain or into the toilet. Reduce the use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers to grow crops. Use wastewater for garden in home. Do not dump waste, always use a waste bin. Land pollution. Land pollution happens when toxic chemicals change the natural balance in soil. Land pollution comes from farming, that is excess use of chemical pesticides and fertilizers, mining, digging up metals and other materials, factories, that is industrial waste, and the solid waste from our own homes like plastics and broken electronics. Soil pollution affects animals, humans, and even plants because soil or land acts like a sponge. When it rains, pollutant sinks into the soil. If we grow plants to eat in polluted soils, these dangerous chemicals can get into our food. How can we reduce land pollution? First, try to reduce waste, then recycle the rest. Always use a waste bin and never litter. Do not burn waste. The ash mixes easily with soil. Noise pollution. Noise pollution affects the environment. We all like a quiet and peaceful place since unpleasant or loud sounds disturb us. Loud music, the sounds of motor vehicles, fireworks, and machines cause noise pollution. Continuous noise disturbs our sleep and does not let us to study. How do we reduce noise pollution? Turn off your electronics when you do not use them. Lower the volume when you watch TV or listen to music. Remind drivers not to use the horn too much. Avoid fireworks. Speak, do not shout. Try to set an example. Thank you. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe.